Are you tired of hearing everyone say invest your money, but no one ever tells you exactly where to start? What if I told you that even with just 5,000 naira or $10, you can start investing and building real wealth without being an expert and without falling for scams? In today's video, I'm breaking down the best investments for beginners, the ones that are low risk, easy to start, and actually work. If you're just getting started on your financial journey, this is for you. Let's dive in. Hello, welcome to Wisdom Wealth, where we build wealth with wisdom. If you're coming across this channel for the first time, I especially welcome you to this amazing channel. If you're a returning subscriber, I also especially welcome you back. If you haven't subscribed to this channel,
do well to subscribe to this channel and remember to hit on the notification bell so as to be notified anytime I upload a new video.
First up is the most basic but essential place to start, a high-yield savings account. This isn't really an investment in the traditional sense, but it's the foundation. It's where your emergency fund lives. It's where you stash money you might need in 3 to 6 months. And unlike traditional bank accounts that pay you almost nothing, high-yield accounts can give you up to 5% interest per year. Platforms like Kuda or Opay in Nigeria, or Alibank and Capital One in the US offer these types of accounts. It's low risk, but gives you a safe place to park your cash while still growing it slightly. Now let's talk about where real growth happens. Index funds and ETFs. An index fund is like a basket of the top companies in the stock market. Instead of betting on just one company like Apple or Tesla, you're spreading your money across hundreds of companies at once. That means if one goes down, others might go up. And your money is more protected. The most popular is the S&P 500 Index Fund, which has returned an average of 7 to 10% annually over the last few decades. If you had invested $100 per month consistently in an S&P 500 ETF 10 years ago, you'd have over $20,000 today. Apps like Bamboo, Trove, Risevest, or Passfolio allow people in Africa to invest in US stocks and ETFs easily. Just search for ETFs like VOO, Vanguard, or SPY, SPDR, S&P 500 and invest. Now, what if you want to invest in real estate but don't have millions to buy property? That's where REITs, real estate investment trusts, come in. REITs let you invest in real estate portfolios like shopping malls, offices, and apartments without actually buying land or property. And they usually pay dividends regularly, which makes it a great option for passive income. You can invest in REITs through the same apps I mentioned earlier. Search for ones like VNQ, Vanguard Real Estate ETF, VNQ, or Realty Income Corp, O. Think of REITs as real estate for the everyday investor. Here's the best part. You don't need big money to start investing. Thanks to fractional shares, you can invest with as little as 1,000 naira or $1. Apps like Risevest, Bamboo, Chipper Cash, or Cash App in the US allow you to buy just a piece of a stock, even if it normally costs hundreds of dollars. Want to invest in Amazon but can't afford $300 for a single share? No problem. You can buy $5 worth. This makes investing accessible, even if you're a student, beginner, or just starting out. But here's a secret no one talks about. The best investment is actually in you. Skills pay bills. If you invest just 10,000 naira or $20 into an online course or mentorship program to learn and how to edit videos, how to start a YouTube channel, how to write copy, how to sell on Etsy, Fiverr, or Upwork, that skill can make you money for the rest of your life. And it's the type of investment that nobody can take from you. No market crash, no scam, no inflation. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, or even free YouTube tutorials can give you insane value for almost nothing. So to recap, here are the 5 best investments for beginners. 1. High-yield savings accounts for safety and emergency funds. 2. Index funds and ETFs for long-term, low-risk growth. 3. REITs for real estate exposure without buying property. 4. Fractional shares for small money investing. 5. Investing in yourself for the highest return of all.
You don't have to do all of them at once. Just start with one. Stay consistent. Let time and compound interest do their thing.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. It helps the channel grow and reach more people like you. And if you're serious about building wealth and creating a better financial future, subscribe and turn on notifications because Every week, I drop actionable tips just like this. Drop a comment below. Which of these investments will you start with? I'd love to hear from you.
Check the description below for links to courses that you can start right away. And the best time to start is now. No more procrastination.
I'm Obicha Wisdom, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep building.